Hi guys, now we're going to take a look at how we can sketch this quite horrible looking quadratic. Now, the first thing to note is we have a negative number in front of the x squared, so we know it's going to have this sort of appearance. So, let's do the discriminant check. So, we're looking for b squared and we're looking for 4ac. So, b is minus 7 squared, which of course is 49, and 4 times a, which is negative 2, times 4. So that is minus 32. So we can see that b squared is more than that. And when it's more than, it means we're going to have, in this case, something like this, two different solutions, which means it can be solved. If we did this check and it meant it couldn't be solved, then there's no point carrying on trying to solve it. So because it can, we're going to solve it. So now at this point I haven't checked whether it was solved using normal factorizing, but we know it's going to be this way, like a reflected parabola. It's going to be upside down. So that doesn't matter. The roots will be the same whether it's this way I've sketched in the top right here, or if it was that way, the roots would be the same. So we're going to solve this like normal. So to do that, I'm going to make this negative 2x squared positive by putting everything basically on the other side. So it'd be 2x squared plus 7x minus a 4. So let's try and factorize this. Normally, if we can't do it, then I'll use the formula. However, because this is C1 and it's non-calculator, this should always work, because a surd will defeat the object. You want to get these values. So when you have a coefficient, we're going to factorize it by multiplying the a and the c part. So we've got 8. We need to make a 7, so that's easy. Right, so it'd be 2x squared, and we're going to have a plus 8x, take away an x, that would give us 7x, and minus 4. So let's factorize these first two terms. I'm going through this quite fast because you should know this if you're going to watch this video. So 2x, x plus 4, minus, now there isn't a common factor here, so it's just, well there is, it's just 1, and x plus 4. So remember, these brackets should be the same if you've done this correct. So we end up with 2x minus 1 is 0, and x plus 4 is 0. So I probably shouldn't have skipped that stage. You should have, let's see if I can just move this down a tad. There we go. And I'll just add this stage in. So it should have been 2x minus 1 in brackets, and x plus 4 in brackets. Sorry, I didn't mean to skip that. So x here would be a half, and x here is negative 4. So this means that these are the different roots, or the different solutions to our graph. So minus 4 and a half. So it means there's going to be my half. Let's, just to make it look slightly realistic, that's minus 4. We know it's in this direction, and we can see here we have a y-intercept of 4. So this is where I'm going to really struggle on this tablet. So it's going to come up, probably past this point, down, and through there. And there you go. You can do a much better example with pen and paper than I can, but that is it.